Alright guys, so I'm doing a quick review on this Daiya Supreme Pizza. So I've done videos in the past on Daiya pizzas, but this was new in the grocery store. This is their Supreme. And as you can see, it's plant-based, celiac association, and it's dairy-free, soy-free, see that? And it is gluten-free, I believe. Yeah, right there, see? So it's got pretty much all those allergens checked. So here's the back. So if you guys want to read this, pause the video obviously. So just 7 grams protein, but this is the ingredients. So they use tapioca flour to make it. And this one is different than the other ones because this one actually has non-meat sort of meat topping in there. So I guess they use pea protein. Let me check. Pea protein, yep. So they do use pea protein to probably make the topping on it. So, alright, let's open this up and show you what it looks like. So I'm excited because I haven't tried this flavor, and I'm kind of curious what it tastes like. I wonder if it tastes like the Beyond Meat burger sort of topping that they use in those hamburgers. So this is the top. That's what it looks like. So there's the meat chunks. Looks like sausage basically, and it's got mushrooms and peppers. So I'm gonna cook this up and do a quick taste test. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, here's the Supreme Daiya. It's all done up. So let's do a quick taste test of it. Let's see what this little piece of meat here tastes like. There it is. There. Wow. Okay, so it's a sausage flavored almost, yeah, it's pea protein. It tastes really good. It sort of tastes like the A&W Beyond Meat burger. Quite good actually. You probably wouldn't notice the difference if you were just picking it up and just eating it. You probably wouldn't notice the difference. So quite good though. Let's try the mushroom here. Right there. Yeah, it tastes like any other mushroom. The pizza itself tastes like the same as any other Daiya. Pretty good, guys. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel. I think this is probably one of my favorites.